shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for September 16th. It is Wednesday, just a couple more days until the quadruple witching. So let's get this whisper out the door. We're going to be bullish on the SPY above 343. You can see on the daily chart, lots of room to go if we can break above the creek. Yeah, if this is an accumulation period, we should be able to break above the creek resistance, and there's a lot of room to the upside. However, if we cannot do that, and we do turn down bearish below 341, good to be prepared on both sides. Let's go to the E-minis. Oh, not the E-minis yet, the Russell. We're going to be bullish above 154.50 for the Russell. We just went above that. And bear below 153.50. There's not that much volume yet. Only 45,000 and a pretty big spread. So, yeah, this thing could move around a little bit this morning. Once the volume starts to kick in, it will be less volatile. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 34.15 and bearish below 33.97.50. Qs are up next. Oops. There we go. Same kind of situation as far as the daily chart. Bullish above 281.50. And we've tested that once already. See if we do go up there and we could break above that. And bearish below 279.50. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 11,550, bear below 11,450. Crude oil up, having a little bit of a pop this morning. We're going to be bullish above 39.55 and bear below 38.94 for a retracement trade down to person's pivot. And gold popping and dropping a little bit here. We're going to be bullish above 1978 and bear below 1964 for the gold futures. All right, let's get to the exciting ones, the individual stocks. We're going to start, of course, with Tesla. It was a good whisper yesterday. Let's see what it can do today. Having a little bit of trouble this morning, pulling back in negative territory. We're going to be bullish above 460 and we're going to be bearish below 444. You can see it's moving around a lot because it's 8 o'clock and we do get a lot of late prints that come in at 8 a.m. Yeah, so you'll see a crazy wick, but you see it went right back to where it was trading. Let's go to Apple. Apple has had a tremendous amount of dark pool activity. So we are going to be bullish above 117 today and bearish below 114.50. Nikola. Nikola was a great whisper yesterday. It was a really beautiful retracement trade. You know, the further we get away from the 4 and the 8, which we were here, yeah, the odds are we're going to retrace back to the 4 before moving down again. So as a day trader, I love those retracement trades. Not as a swing trader, though. That's too much risk going against the trend. But day trading, we can control that. So we've hit it. Yeah, the day before was great. And now we're starting to come down again. So today we are going to be bullish above 32. For another possible retracement back up to the 4. And bearish below 30.50 for a move down, most likely to this 200 simple moving average. We do have another moving average of 27.50, but the 200 is a big one. So we'll see how that trades. Facebook has a lot of activity this morning, lots of volume. It also had a retracement trade yesterday. Back up to the 8, bounced down off of it. So today we're going to be bullish above 270 and bear below 268. And we've just gone below that, by the way. Yeah, the easier trade is to the downside. I can see it coming down to that 50 simple moving average possibly. We do have dark pool activity way above at 289. Yeah, dark pool sold not too long ago. Let's go to NEO. NEO was a great trade on the long side. A lot of the traders in the job pit took this one, so great job yesterday on that. Today, we are going to be bullish above that 20 level. We did a first test yesterday, pretty much, and if we can go above it, that would be bullish, but it looks like it up thrusted there. We're going to be bearish below 1840 today. All right, silver was a good retracement trade yesterday for the whispers. Today we're going to be bullish above 25.50. We are above all the dark pool prints right now. However, if we go below 25.20, yep, that's when we'll turn bearish. That's the first dark pool level. And then, of course, we have, actually, there's two of them there. If we go below. And then we have a couple below that, 24.94, 24.77, and 24.64. We're still above that, so we're kind of sandwiched if we go there in between it. Right now, we're above them all. So let's go to Carnival. Yeah, Carnival was a great short yesterday on the whispers. Today, kind of got stuck in all those moving averages. So we're going to be bullish above 1637 for a retracement trade back up to the 4 EMA, or we're going to be bearish below 16 for a move down, probably to that 50 simple moving average. Let's go to GLD. Big prints on this one yesterday, 183.75. So we are going to be bullish above 185, and we're going to be bearish below 183.50. FedEx earnings likes it. That's all that matters. We're going to be bullish above 260 for a gap and go scenario, or bearish below 254 for a pop and drop. Watch that 15 exponential moving average on a 5-minute chart after the first 15 minutes. If it can stay above it, it's usually a gap and go. If it doesn't, it's usually a pop and drop. It's called the trend trade. Let's go to Citibank. That was another great trade on the short side on the whispers yesterday. Yeah, great whispers yesterday. Had a couple really big ones. Looks like institutional selling yesterday. Could be seller's exhaustion. You can see the volume really came up very high there. So we may retrace. So I got that retracement trade to the 4 EMA, bullish above 45.50. Or it can go lower, bearish below 44.80. Those are really key levels to watch for Citibank today. And last but certainly not least is Oracle. Yep, Oracle is heating up recently. We're going to be bullish above 62.20. And we're going to be bearish below 61 for a retracement trade. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, September 16th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.